Hi, it's Mandy with Crafty Glam. In this video, I'm going to be using the Citrus Slice Tray Kit. It comes with everything you need to make the most adorable tray. You can go with an orange, a lemon. I'm sure you could probably whip up a watermelon. I am going to go with a lemon because I'm all about the lemon theme right now. So I'm going to get my transfer out. It does come with the gold handles, the paste packets you need, a squeegee, color tray, everything to complete it. Right now I'm just cutting off the two phrases which say freshly squeezed and have a zest for life. So you can kind of pick which one you want to go with or use both of them. I'm going to set my paste packets aside, my color trays aside, and we're going to go ahead and fuzz this transfer. And by fuzzing it, I just mean pressing it onto a fuzzing cloth. This just helps to make it not so super sticky for the first time we're using it. That way, when we peel it up from the tray, it doesn't stretch at all and we can use it again and again. So I'm just lining that up and smoothing it out, making sure we have no air bubbles at all. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get my paste ready and just squeeze them out onto a color tray. It does come with two of the lighter, I believe it's Sunny Side paste colors and one of the Bumblebee. But you'll see here that I only needed to use one of the Sunny Side packs. So I would just hold on to the other one and use it if you need it, and save it for another project if you don't. And as you can see, I just dipped my small squeegee in that paste and I'm smearing it all around the center of this lemon slice. I'm gonna go ahead and get the next color, which is Bumblebee, and put that on the outer edge here. And I just like to run my squeegee across, take off any excess, and let's peel it up. Voila, it's so cute. I am gonna blow dry real quick just because when I place this next transfer on, if the paste is still wet, it would get all messed up and we don't want that. So I just quickly blow dried and I'm gonna use the fresh squeezed with the Bumblebee paste. I just covered that all up, squeegeed off my excess, and let's peel it up. Ta-da! Oh my goodness, I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and attach these handles and show you the finished look. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Have a great day.